Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Resetting an Iveco radio is a common task for many truck owners. You might need to do this if the touchscreen freezes during use. It also helps if the Bluetooth stops connecting to your phone. Sometimes the radio asks for a security code after a battery change or power loss. First, try a simple soft reset. Turn the vehicle ignition to the on position. Locate the main power button on the radio face. Press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. The screen should go dark and then reboot automatically. This often fixes minor software glitches and errors. If that does not work, try a hard reset. You must disconnect the vehicle battery for this method. Locate the negative terminal under the hood. Use a wrench to loosen the nut carefully. Remove the black cable for at least 5 minutes. This clears the internal memory of the head unit. Reconnect the cable and tighten the nut. You can also use the system menu for a reset. Press the menu or setup button. Look for System Settings in the list. Scroll down until you find Factory Reset. Select this option and confirm your choice. The radio will restore its original factory settings. After a reset, the radio may ask for a security code. Check your owner's manual for this number. It is often printed on a small card. Enter the digits using the preset buttons. If you do not have the code, you must contact an Iveco dealer. Provide them with your vehicle identification number. They can look up the code for you. These steps will get your radio working.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.